Good morning and welcome back to my channel. As you guys know, ngiyathanda ukuba ne-segment yokuthi ke sibheke ukuthi abantu bathini with regards to ama-episode lawa ebesiwabuka Uthando Nesithembu. If you like this kind of content, please do subscribe, comment, share and like ngoba ngiyathanda ukwazi ukuthi ngicabangani. Okay, let us check out ukuthi abantu bebethini ngesikhathi bebuka u-episode 8 no-9. Okokuqala ke uTebogo uthi i-tone kaMseleko reveals a lot nge-health yakhe plus the stress that comes with polygamy. And then uZinhle uthi kazi kwakuyindoda enjani lena. And then uLulutho uthi ke akekho empilweni lo baba shame. Umthandazo wami nje sewukuthi umakhe ihambe kahle i-IVF. Ukhuba uthi ube right babakhe bandla ngathi awumnandanga. Makhise ngathi kungalunga Nkosi yami. And then ukaManqele uthi ngathi akaphilanga njalo ubaba usabhizinisi Thembo ngathi uyagula. And then uEsihle uthi ingabe isaphumelela kodwa lento ye-IVF yakhona ayitholele umfana Nkosi yami kungalokhu kuncengwa olwandle uma wabo eqhwagile nabo. Uthulisile yena uthi at long last wavuma uMseleko ngendaba yengane noMakhe. And then uSilondiwe uthi lo baba sengimbonile uyena umuntu onenkinga kulesithembu sakhe okuwes akalaleli umayini noMangwaba kudala bemtshela lento kodwa uyabaphikisa ngoba yena uhlezi right, he seldom takes accountability. And then uKito uthi that's why uMpumelelo is the way he is, he got it from his father. And then Agnes uthi wishing uMakhumalo all the best with the IVF. May God bless her with her own seed. I am still team Mayeni anyway, loving her for opening up to the right person. That's another way of healing. My fave is bleeding for the right person. And then uZanele uthi usafuna abafazi kodwa ingathi nempilo iyacikizela. Hayi ngokwami sengibona ngathi ubaba isiyamhlula lento yakhe yokuthembuza. And then uItumeleng uthi is it me or what? But I just feel uMakhumalo can just leave this polygamy marriage, go start her life, new man. Umogele is still young and successful. She doesn't leave any child kwaMseleko, just a thought. And then ke uSibusisiwe uthi I'm sorry kakhulu ukuthatha umuntu kwaMadlala kusho inkozi Malanga ekugila. I am glad uMakhe usebonile ukuthi wenziwa isinai. And then uThando uthi you think we all from KZN near actor phela manje. And then uMbladi uthi manje usine uthi unjani Samke ubiza umamncane wakhe ngegama. Phela untanga wakhe guys, and ke apparently bayazana, they are friends, so yes ngikambizi ngomamncane. And then uMpumi uthi so that little girl didn't know that uMthombeni is Sne's father. And then uZamahlubi uthi kwenziwani kanti kwaMadlala. Ayi nami nje lento engiyibuza yona ngiyiphendula kanti izingane zakaMadlala zikhuliswa kanjani kanti. uJenine uthi I think Mayeni needs counseling, shame. And then Lebogang uthi how can he waste her time? Darling, you are number 4. Your time got wasted when you agreed to be part of his life with 3 wives. Yeah, I think I have to agree with that one because out of all the wives, uMangwabe uyena owafika nengane yangaphandle, but still uMseleko wamthatha wamenza unkosikazi wamakhela umuzi. And so who knows ukuthi ngabe ukephi if uMseleko akazange amshade. I think uMseleko has exercised enough patience kuMangwabe ngoba he supported her kwama studies akhe ne-career yakhe, wamthengela imoto to make things easier for her. Still futhi waba ne-patience ngesikhathi uMangwabe ethi akafuni ukuperforma certain wifely duties, still wa-understanda lapho. And futhi kwamsiza uMangwabe ukuthi he had other wives ukuthi engaya kubona if yena refuse. Imagine ukube uthandana nendoda and she's the only wife, ukuthi ngabe kunzima kanjani ukuthi for the man to understand ukuthi wena you have your career and yena he can't have access to you ngalesikhathi yena afuna ngaso. So it is really unfair of her to say that, you know, like sometimes I feel like uma ngabe uyakhuluma nje and she actually doesn't mean what she says, nje ufuna nje ibe ne shock value into ayishoyo, but mase ethatha naye ebuka ukuthi impilo yakhe ukuthi hey, like this man has done a lot for her, she will realize ukuthi lento ayishoyo ayikho. And then ke uMakhanya uthi to think uMseleku thought uMakhumalo was gonna be happy and be part of anything that includes number 5, and surprise she doesn't even wanna see her. Mona eu hakabona uli yes baba nako kaufela he will 100% make you feel hori owatela. Hi guys, libahale na nkasikhoni. And then Uphumelele uthi I really don't understand why they are upset, because uMacele accepted them even though it was hurting her, so tables are shaking. And then uStefi uthi I don't like how he looks on his diaries when he is alone. Was it after the stroke or before? And then uBonisa uthi usangene umoshe siphi isikhathi, bowungena kwisithembu wasikahle kuza omunye, unenhlanhla ukuthathe unengane ngaphandle wakulobola, hamba ayikho indoda oyizoyithola kubi ngaphandle, uzoshima njengathi uMseleku uzoba no number 6. And then uGugu uthi uma yena uyeyisa akamhloniphi uMseleku futhi usho into ayenzayo yena ukudlisa uMseleku, ngoba esethi uMsamke uzosiza ukuthi amdlise, futhi masuphela uyobona ukuthi ufana nobani, unenhliziyo embi lo mama. I also saw some noteworthy comments on X, formerly known as Twitter. uTricky uthi he's being assisted financially by uMakhumalo, meaning he can't afford isithembu. uNkunzi yena uthi I hate this for uMakhumalo. Once you show a man that you're the understanding woman, he'll never stop doing crap because you understand. uMpumi yena uthi didn't uMaK meet uMusa through her friend uMasawule, yet she expects loyalty from the neighbors. Nami ngishilo ke le in my previous review ukuthi shame ungahlala nabantu itshela ukuthi nje nihleli kahle niyahloniphana, but people bafuna impilo yakho, so you can't really trust anyone. And then uNthabi uthi uMangwabe really thought she was the chosen one. Yes, I do agree with that, because mhlambe nje beyitshela ukuthi nje yey lesivumelwano sakhe senze noMseleku sokuthi angafaki umuntu wesi5 nje isona nje esibambe nje lesithembu nje ukuthi singanyakazi, kanti ke sana usengenile ke useya find out ke manje, seya panic ke manje.